and distinguished guests, esteemed teachers and dear parents, beloved students and all my well-wishers, good evening and very warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you on this proud and memorable occasion, the Silver Jubilee celebration of Sandipni Vidyalayam. Sri Sita-Rama Educational Society was founded on April 21st, 2001 by four directors, Sri Ambat Rangarao Garu and Sri Ambati Chakradhar Rao Garu and Sri Ambati Shankar Rao Garu and Sri Golivi Venkataramanamurthy Garu with the slogan, enter to learn and go out to serve. In a spacious ground, pleasant atmosphere with the objective of providing wise and disciplined education to the communities in rural areas. First and foremost, I express my heartfelt gratitude to our founders and management whose vision and commitment and tireless efforts laid the strong foundation of this great institution. Their education has made Sandipni Vidyalayam a place where children not only learn lessons but also learn values for life. 25 years ago, Sandipni Vidyalayam began with that motto of education, uplifts down students with the aim of providing the best education. As we celebrate the milestone, we proudly look back at the achievements of the past 25 years. Thousands of students have passed through the doors of the school and have gone on the trail in different fields carrying with them the values and education imparted here. This is our greatest achievement and our true reward. This remarkable journey has been possible because of the collective efforts of many people. I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to our devoted teachers whose restless efforts, patience and passion have guided our students toward excellence. Teachers are the backbone of every successful institution, and that achievement of our school are a reflection of their dedication. And to our beloved students, you are the pride and identity of Sandipni Vidyalayam. Your hard work, discipline, talents and achievements in academics, sports and co-curriculum activities have brought honor and recognition to our institution. To our dear parents, thank you for your trust, encouragement and constant support. Your partnership with that school has played with virtual role in shaping the future of our students. We are conducting tri-language news reading, importance of the special day, birth and death anniversary of great freedom fighters, writers, scientists and well-known leaders in morning assembly. The best performing students of 10th class will be given cash prize by Sri Ambat Rangarao Garu as a memorial to his parents. Scientific experiments, mathematical experiments have been carried out and demonstrated. Yoga and Hanuman Chalisa have been performed for the 10th class students every day for the physical and mental health of the students. Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotras, Lalita Sahasranama Stotras and Bhagavad Gita slogans and Bhairavashtakams are thought to include spiritual thinking and mental courage among the students. Karate is being taught for the self-defense of boys and girls. We are conducting quiz competitions, programs, elections, essay writings programs for their all-round development every week. From this year, we are entering the new Silver Jubilee building. This is the best achievement of our last 25 years. And we are teaching the children with not only human resources but also electronic device like IRP panel. We are appreciated by that famous personalities like CBX, JD Lakshmi Narayan Rao Garu. We have spacious library and alumni of Sandipani Vidyalayam settled in different fields in entire India. We are focusing special interest in slow learners to the students for the every year. Finally, in this occasion, we are thanking you to attend this wonderful annual day. Thank you very much.